Hold both needles in parallel in your left hand, and then with a third needle, insert it knitwise through the first stitch on the front needle and then the first stitch on the back needle. Knit them together as one. Work the next pair of stitches in the same way, so you have 2 stitches on your right needle and then lift the first stitch over the second and off the right needle. Continue like this across the row, always knitting 1 stitch from each needle together and binding off as you go. When you reach the end, cut your yarn and pull it through the last loop.